All right, next up, we're gonna be adding a kip in towards the knees to chest of the toes to bar. So we're gonna be doing the same kip that we did for the kipping pull-ups, except now we're gonna be bringing our knees to our chest, knees to our elbows, or essentially toes to the bar if we can, and depending on how strong we are through our midline. So jumping up on the bar, we're just gonna get our lats nice and active, our ears away from our shoulders, and we're just gonna start with that general kip that we normally do. Our toes are together. We're thinking about squeezing everything tight. We've got half our body on this side, we've got half our body on that side, and we're swapping. And then when we feel comfortable, we're just gonna bring our knees to our chest. And then on the way down, you notice that he pushes his feet away from the body so that he's got half the body weight in front of the bar and half the body behind the bar. And that allows him to sweep the floor with a full straight leg, as opposed to coming straight down and kicking behind the body. So it should be extend the leg, sweep the floor, bring that body back up. From there, if we can, we're gonna get a little bit more into the pull, and we're gonna be able to try and pull our knees to our elbows. So we're gonna jump up again. It requires you to be a little bit stronger through the lats. You notice that he's pulling the bar down a lot further, changing that angle of his torso a lot more, which requires a lot more lat activation, which means you're going to get more ab activation and a lot stronger through the lats.